My name is Dean Tedtaotao. I'm an instructor here at Cerritos College, and I teach the Automotive Intro to Electrical, Auto 160. So in high school, I took automotive, and then after high school, started taking night classes and got hooked in Auto 100. Saw how instructor was able to make the vehicle talk. I was hooked. Literally, this is where I was when I took Auto 100. So in between classes, I came in here and I saw the flyer, filled it out and applied for the program. Now I'm working for Los Angeles County Public Works in the fleet management division. Career has been great, and electrical is a real big part of that. There's a need for high voltage awareness training. The vehicle's already here. School buses are already on most district lots. Some of them are just sitting there waiting to be used, and they can't put them into service until they have technicians to service them. There's going to be always a mix of vehicles. There's going to be more and more EVs. There's a lot of technicians that are hesitant to work on it. I think just afraid of it, like the unknown. And I think this goes back to just even working on vehicles where it was like carburetors. It was just a lot of carburetors in my day. And just even when fuel injection came around, people were hesitant about that and just afraid of it. And I think just because they didn't know too much about it. But then now everybody's comfortable with it. I think this is a natural progression that we're seeing this now in the EVs, in the EV school buses. And so high voltage is new. There's definitely a need for technicians to be aware of the high voltage dangers, which they are. But when they kind of go through the course and they see all that's involved and all the safety aspects of it, they're more comfortable. A lot of the training is free right now. Technicians can handle the change. They just want some guidance on what they need. They want the training, and you ask a lot of technicians, next to a pay raise is they want training. And the managers and shop supervisors should look out and provide that for them. All school districts across the country are being mandated to go electric. Electric school buses are a good fit, especially the drive cycle for a school bus. Fleet technicians get thrown new stuff, new equipment, and they're expected to work on it. So now you have a electric school bus, with this large battery. The more you know about EVs and electric vehicles, especially school buses, the more opportunities you have, the more valuable you are. They talk about a technician shortage coming. The technician shortage is here. You can see some of the technicians just real reluctant. Why are we getting these electric school buses? And then you see some of the technicians are just, they're eager to they want to get, through the high voltage awareness training because they want to get their hands on these school buses. I think in the end, realize that they're probably doing more difficult stuff, working on the hydraulics and the diesel engines. And so they realize this is just another vehicle system that has its own safety components. And when they see that, they're able to pull off the disconnects, I think they're more knowledgeable and more comfortable after the training. And I think technicians can tell the difference. They want some good quality training. They know it when they see it. And I think the high voltage school bus training does a good job of doing that. Shop managers, supervisors owe it to their technicians to get them trained now. You can't contract everything out. Years go by so fast. Next thing you know, even a 3-year warranty, you turn your head and it's out of warranty. So technicians want the training, get it to them, make it available. They can be sent to the training. A lot of the training is done at the school district, on a Friday, where it gets deeper into the working on electric school buses. We've been under them. And I've been under the other, Thomas, buses with diesel engines and the CNG, and it's just a big difference of all the components underneath. It's cleaner, it looks simpler, and even the air conditioning systems on the school bus is all running off of the high voltage battery. 2 different worlds, working on diesel and electric vehicles. So a lot of school districts have got their techs trained. So the ones that haven't done it yet, reach out to ATL, get the techs trained online. You need to invest in your technicians, invest in the training for them. It's gonna pay off. Get ahead of it, get it on the train early, and it's not that bad.